If you need to change text size in AutoCAD, whether you're working on a floor plan, a technical drawing, or any other CAD project, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest ways to do it. Staying in control of text size is important because clear, properly scaled text makes your drawing easier to read, more professional, and much simpler to present or print. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips just like this. Let's get started with the simplest method. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to edit. Once your file is open, locate the text you want to resize. Click directly on the text to select it. You should see selection grips appear, which tells you the object is active and ready for editing. Now press Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. This opens the Properties panel, which is one of the fastest ways to view and change object settings in AutoCAD. In the Properties panel, look for the section labeled Text Height. Depending on the type of text you're editing, this may appear under General Text Properties or within the specific text object settings. Once you find text height, click inside the value field and enter the new size you want. You can type a larger number to make the text bigger or a smaller number if you need it reduced. After entering the value, press Enter on your keyboard. AutoCAD will immediately update the text size in your drawing. This method is great when you only want to change the size of one piece of text or a few selected text objects. It gives you fast control without needing to open extra menus or create new styles. Now let's look at the alternative us method, which is useful when you want to adjust the text style itself. This can be helpful if multiple text objects are using the same style and you want to standardize the height across your drawing. To do that, type style into the command line and press enter. This opens the text style dialog box. Here, you'll see a list of available text styles used in your drawing. Select the text style that your text is currently using. After selecting the style, look for the height setting. Change the height value to the size you want. If the height is set here, AutoCAD will use that value for new text created with that style, and in some cases, it can affect how the text displays throughout the drawing. Once you've made the adjustment, click Apply and Set Current so the style is updated and active. This second method is especially useful if you're creating a consistent drafting standard and want all new text to follow the same sizing rules. It also saves time when you're managing multiple annotations in a project. So to recap, if you want to change text size in AutoCAD quickly, select the text, press Ctrl+1, find text height, and enter the new value. If you want to adjust the style itself, use the Style command, change the height, and apply it as the current style. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AutoCAD how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.